The ready-mix concrete industry is under pressure to reduce emissions, to improve efficiency, and to stay competitive. But optimizing concrete production is complex. Every mix must balance performance, cost, and environmental impact across thousands of possible combinations. And validating each option can take weeks of testing, with results only after 7 or even 28 days. ACORN changes that. By combining local data with global insights, ACORN uses AI to simulate and optimize thousands of recipes simultaneously, delivering high-confidence results in minutes. This is how it works. The optimal concrete mix isn't found through trial and error. It's discovered through intelligent optimization. ACORN evaluates thousands of possibilities simultaneously, combining local conditions with global knowledge, delivering high-confidence results in minutes instead of weeks, enabling more efficient, sustainable, and competitive concrete production. Welcome to ACORN.